2025 is about to destroy everything you thought you knew about trucks. From a $65,000 Rivian that outsmarts traffic to a Ford F-150 that's faster than a supercar. And the #1 truck nobody saw coming, a workhorse that charges in 15 minutes. Stick around, this changes everything. Number 9. Ram 1500 Revolution. Now, don't let its position on this list fool you. This truck is a serious contender. Ram has completely reimagined their power delivery system with their new Powertrain 2.0 technology. What does that mean for you? How about 15% better fuel efficiency while simultaneously increasing towing capacity to a class-leading 13,500 pounds? That's what I call having your cake and eating it too. But here's what really separates it from the pack: the customizable interior configuration. Ram has created what they call flex zones that can transform from passenger space to cargo space in seconds. Imagine going from comfortably seating 5 people to having an extended flatbed without compromising on either function. Number 8. Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. Toyota is finally bringing full hybridization to their legendary Tacoma. Toyota has been perfecting hybrid technology longer than anyone else, and they're finally bringing that expertise to their mid-size truck lineup. What makes this Tacoma special is the projected 30+ miles per gallon, combined with the same rugged reliability that's made it a bestseller for decades. Toyota's also integrating their new off-road assistance technology that essentially functions as cruise control for trail riding. Set your speed, and the truck handles throttle and braking over challenging terrain. I've tested early versions of this system, and let me tell you, it transforms the off-road experience, especially for those newer to trail driving. Toyota is targeting the adventure crowd hard with this one, and it's poised to become the go-to option for weekend warriors who don't want to sacrifice daily drivability. Number 7. Ford Ranger Raptor Plus. Ford took everything people love about the full-size Raptor and distilled it into this more manageable package, then cranked up the dial even further. The standard Ranger Raptor was already impressive, but this Plus variant adds Ford's next-gen terrain management system with adaptive suspension that literally learns the terrain you frequently drive and optimizes accordingly. Think of it as a truck that gets smarter the more you drive it. Ford's also boosting the power output to 450 horsepower in a mid-size package, creating what might be the most fun-to-drive truck in its class. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison. At the halfway point at number 6, we have the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison, the most capable factory off-road full-size truck ever made. This collaboration between Chevy and American Expedition vehicles has produced something truly special. The Bison package adds steel bumpers, underbody skid plates, exclusive suspension tuning, and 35-inch mud terrain tires straight from the factory. What makes the 2025 version stand out is the introduction of Chevy's new Virtual Spotter system, essentially giving you a drone's eye view of the terrain ahead through strategically placed cameras. This allows you to navigate obstacles with precision that would make even experienced off-roaders jealous. Number 5. Rivian R1T. Breaking into the top 5 at number 5 is the Rivian R1T, the more affordable follow-up to the revolutionary R2. Rivian learned from their first generation and has created something truly special here. The R1T is slightly smaller than the R2, but retains most of the innovative features like the gear tunnel and camp kitchen options. What's new is a more efficient battery architecture that delivers up to 350 miles of range while keeping the price under $65,000. The R1T also introduces Rivian's new adaptive regenerative braking system, which uses topographical data and traffic patterns to maximize efficiency. In real-world tests, this has shown to increase range by up to 15% compared to standard systems. Number 4. Tesla Cybertruck Performance. At number 4, love it or hate it, the Tesla Cybertruck Performance variant deserves its spot on this list. While the standard Cybertruck has been divisive, this Performance Edition aims to silence critics with capabilities that are hard to argue with. We're talking about a 0 to 60 time of under 2.5 seconds. In a truck, that's supercar territory. Beyond the straight-line speed, Tesla has refined the air suspension to provide up to 16 inches of ground clearance when needed, while dropping low for improved aerodynamics on highways. The most exciting development is the expansion of the supercharger network specifically targeted at adventure destinations, addressing one of the biggest concerns about electric trucks for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Label. Coming in at number 3, Ford is blending their luxury and performance divisions with the F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Label. This is Ford bringing their high-end Lincoln sensibilities to their best-selling truck platform. The Black Label introduces materials and comfort features never before seen in a pickup, along with Ford's most advanced driver assistance technology that allows for hands-free driving on over 200,000 miles of mapped highways. The dual motor system delivers an astonishing 775 pound-feet of torque instantly, and the new extended range battery pushes range beyond 350 miles. What truly sets this variant apart is the inclusion of the Pro Power onboard system that's been upgraded to deliver up to 15 kilowatts of power, enough to run your entire home during an outage or power a serious job site without a generator. Number 2. Hummer EV Suit Trail Boss. Our runner-up at number 2 is the GMC Hummer EV SUT Trail Boss, taking the already impressive Hummer EV and turning everything up to 11. The Trail Boss variant adds portal axles for unprecedented ground clearance, full underbody protection, and an improved version of the four-wheel steering crab walk feature. It can now literally turn in place, a full 360-degree rotation without moving forward or backward. The reason this variant ranks so high is the new battery technology GMC is implementing, which allows for faster charging while improving durability in extreme conditions. Whether you're in Death Valley heat or Alaskan cold, this truck is engineered to perform consistently. Number 1. Atlas XT. And finally, at number 1, the truck that nobody's talking about enough, the Atlas XT. This might be the most revolutionary vehicle on our list. Atlas is a new player, but they've spent years developing a truck specifically engineered around the needs of people who use trucks for real work. The XT features a modular design that allows you to swap between different bed configurations in minutes, not hours. Their proprietary battery technology can charge from 0 to 100% in under 15 minutes with the right charger, about the same time it takes to fill up a gas tank. That effectively eliminates one of the biggest concerns about electric trucks for commercial users. The work-focused features include built-in air compressors, multiple 240-volt outlets, and an optional hydraulic system that can power existing equipment designed for traditional PTOs. What truly sets the Atlas apart is the subscription model they're offering, a single monthly fee that covers the truck, charging, maintenance, and insurance. For fleet managers and small business owners, this predictable cost structure could be a game changer. The Atlas XT represents a fundamental rethinking of what a work truck can be and how we pay for it, and that's why it topped our list of most anticipated trucks for 2025. And there you have it, the top 10 most anticipated trucks of 2025. What's clear is that the line between different vehicle categories is blurring. Trucks are now expected to offer the luxury of high-end sedans, the performance of sports cars, and capabilities that would make specialized off-road vehicles jealous, all while potentially running on electricity instead of gasoline. Thank you for watching. See you next.